chat.
Whoa. Eric Burleson?
Burleson, yes.
See? You see, there you go. No, Anna Paulina is too busy trying to get women special privileges and show up to Congress.
She was debating coming on your morning show.
2 tractors. And where are we going? Okay.
You see his face? He was like, oh, I'm going for it.
Yeah, you did.
Run at the end of the over. You want to see ruthlessness when they're on top, and this is exactly what you were talking about.
Bike, we're not going to be silly.
The race is long.
No, it's a blind hill. You'll just have to wait. Dickhead.
If you succeed.
Realise they're in the wrong lane. You've realised you're in the wrong lane.
Everybody has realised.
Looking friendly for really no one. If you put it out of the way, that would be amazing.
Dick.
That's why we don't split till the end.
Dick.
What a twat! Idiot!
It's an odd choice for a bicycle.
Yeah. Good.
So I'll put that on my dash cam fingers.
The same series of questions.
Literally not even had to wait, not even.
And you used to be
through a red light? What the f*** are you doing?
What the f*** are you doing?
Have I gone through a red light? No. Oh, he's got the best space, he has. But someone's stolen his number plates. That's funny. Missing something?
Police are actively watching me do this right now. What do you think the police are going to make of it? Do you think the police are going to pull me over? Yeah, I didn't think so either. Funnily enough, I didn't think so either. Set of wet wipes who get mad about people doing that. Lancia Delta Integrale. Another great classic. It was always known as the best point A to B car. Okay, in amongst the Capris, we've got a slightly modified one here.
There's a couple of 280 here, but yeah.
I think the wing is just about big enough. Old Plymouth. Live free or die. The size of that. A couple of very nice AC Cobras here. How tidy is that?
Somebody important.